Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see how we can make a bootable Windows 11 USB flash drive. The good news is at the moment you can download it legally. Maybe you want to reinstall or just try Windows 11. We'll show you how you can do that. This is a useful thing to know and it's easy and quick as well. First, we need to go to the Microsoft website. I'm gonna close this browser so we can start from scratch. Open the browser that you use by double left clicking. And then go to your search engine and just type in download Windows 11 and press enter on your keyboard. We have the website that says download Windows 11 from Microsoft, and this is the one you want to go to. Left click on the blue text to open the link like normal. Here on this page we have the option that says create Windows 11 installation media. This will download the tool on your device, as we will see, which you can use to create the USB drive. You also have this section that says before you begin. If you left click on the button, it will drop down a list of things that you need to know. For example, what you need to have to use Windows 11, how to use the media creation tool, and how to use the media that you created and other things. If you have time, this is good to read, especially if you need some help. So we're gonna left click on download now to download the media creation tool, and as we can see, it's already downloaded on our device because it's really small, which is a good thing. We're gonna left click on the little folder here to open the downloads on our device, and we're just gonna right click and cut it by using the scissors icon, and we will close the browser because we don't need it for the moment, and just right click anywhere on our desktop and select paste. And now we can double left click to run the media creation tool. If the user account control asks for permission, you can left click on yes, because this is from a safe source. The media creation tool is now downloading. Here we have some license terms. You can scroll down and read, and if you decide to accept them, left click on accept. The next window allows us to select the language and edition. You need to left click on the button here that says use the recommended options, and then you can customize the settings. In regards to the edition, there's no other choice but Windows 11 for this tool, but you can customize the language by left clicking and selecting the language of your choice from the list. For example, maybe you want to select French, and this will download Windows in the selected language. When you're ready, left click on next, and here we have two options. We're interested in the first one that says USB flash drive, because that's what we want to create for this tutorial. Left click on next. Here it asks us to select a USB flash drive that we want to create the media on. As we can see, we have a flash drive appear on the list because it's plugged on our laptop. You can left click on this button that says refresh drive list over here if you don't see it, or if you have the USB plugged in but you still can't see it, try to remove it and plug it in again. Maybe that will help. After you select the USB by left clicking, then left click on next, and as we can see, Windows will download the media to our device, and after that it will burn it to our flash drive. We're back after a moment, and the Windows 11 media creation tool has finished downloading the image, and right now it's creating the Windows 11 media automatically on our USB drive. So we need to wait a bit more and just check the progress over here, and we'll skip through this and see what happens next. We're back for the second time, and after the progress finished, it's now ready. It says that the drive is ready. We can left click on the small little text over here that says E, and it will probably open our flash drive. Yes. So this is now the contents of our USB drive. We have a proper Windows installation, so we can use this to boot up and install Windows. We're gonna left click on finish over here, and setup will clean up before it closes. Okay guys, that's it. That's how to create a bootable USB flash drive of Windows 11, the latest edition that probably Microsoft offers on their website. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.